Hey everyone, let's talk about the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. We've got some new information about what's coming to this device and a sneak peek at a big change Samsung might be planning for the next Ultra model. First up, a benchmark for the Galaxy S26 Edge just appeared on Geekbench, and the numbers are impressive. 3,393 for single-core and 11,515 for multi-core. What's exciting is that these scores were achieved with the chip running at 4.0 GHz, not its maximum potential of 4.74 GHz. The S26 Ultra is expected to perform even better. Based on this data, we could see single-core scores exceeding 4,000 and multi-core scores approaching 13,000 once the chip is fully optimized. This would make the S26 Ultra a significant step up from the S25 Ultra and a serious competitor to the iPhone 17 Pro Max, especially in multi-core performance. The performance boost isn't just about the processor. The S26 Ultra is also expected to feature faster RAM. It will use LPDDR5X RAM with speeds of 10.7 gigabits per second, which is about 25% faster than the RAM in the S25 Ultra. For the first time since the S21 Ultra, the S26 Ultra will offer a 16GB RAM option globally. This combination of faster and more abundant RAM will make everything feel snappier, from opening apps to multitasking, and will provide a boost to gaming and AI tasks. While the S26 Ultra is shaping up to be a powerful device, rumors suggest Samsung is already working on a major camera change for the Galaxy S27 Ultra. A leak from Ice Universe claims that the S27 Ultra will feature a new 200-megapixel Sony sensor that is nearly 1 inch in size, specifically 1.1 inches. This is a 22% increase in size compared to the sensor in the S26 Ultra. A larger sensor means a massive improvement in how the phone captures light, handles depth, and manages dynamic range. This could lead to stunning low-light photos and more professional-looking portrait shots. However, here's where things get interesting. To make room for this new sensor, Samsung might remove the 3x telephoto camera. The idea is that the large, high-resolution main sensor could use digital zoom to achieve similar results. While this is a plausible idea, a dedicated 3x lens still has its advantages, such as better optical quality and more natural-looking portrait bokeh. It's important to remember that this is still an early rumor, and Samsung often tests multiple configurations before finalizing a design. The S27 Ultra is still a long way off, so we'll have to wait and see if this change actually happens.